Kaseng Congress kalapan kre ting e ban kreng bat ban perung dukhat iki samla puli hagani gajala hashwa bakanwan ka MDC election hashan. Habakran menta ka Sngi UMLA ka Congress uba Ronnie viling do ulaong balaya tu EU ba manla ka Sngi ki Dr. Kilalap Khniang jingpang na ki samla ki balai sha sumar han Neigrihms bat kani ka long ka jingma ka bashir ke ka lawi ki samla bat yela ka imlang ka salang. Minta ka Sngi ka Congress kala penlong ye ka jing penrung dukhat sha ka seng ka ban kot ha ka arpo tarik menta ubanai ulaong baka Congress kala kwa ban penrung ye ka mensim i jri ha ki samla om na ka banta ya la de shimet ulaya wer ki samla ban mi shakmat ban ya tenrong ye ka imlang ka salang ulaong baka jing pelat ye ka ni ka senja man penrung dukhat ka de shi banta ban ye wer ki samla ban rong sha ka party na ka banta ban shakri ye ka jala ka ri bat ye ka jai ban rio haba kali baka Congress kari ka judge ka balangam uba Ronnie ulabu jingkali ka judge ka jongno ka balangam.
What about those who have stayed? Few have left. Yes. Many have stayed back.
Yes.
You see, I think you should appreciate, just don't look at the negative part, look at the positive part. So many of them have stayed back. For example, someone behind you, Mr. Manuel Batwa, he stayed back. So many of them have stayed back. You come to Malay, we've got so many youth in the Congress and in other parts of the state also. You see, now we would like to imbibe the spirit in them of serving the country, not serving themselves. So now we're launching this drive, and then we welcome all the youth of Meghalaya to be part of this great party and bring about the change for the better. Now we all complain about misgovernance, about corruption, and then our MP has highlighted some of the issues. I was told that in Neigrihms, every day a person is identified HIV positive, every day. Now we have to look at all those issues. Okay, so the youth, I welcome all the youth to be part of this great party and be a change for the better. So I think we are going to launch this drive so that we attract youth from all walks of life, especially those who would like to serve the country, those who would like to see a difference in the governance, and then wipe away corruption, do away with corruption, abolish corruption, and then of course work for the betterment, especially of the youth. As I said, 50% of the population in the country is below the age of 35. We can make them, an asset, or they can become a disaster. So the Youth Congress would like to turn them into assets, use the potentiality of the youth, use the energy of the youth, use the talents, the hidden talents, the unharnessed talents of the youth to bring about a change for the better. And we'll see a better country, a better state, where all the people, are improving their lives, be it economically, socially, politically, educationally. That is what the aims of the Youth Congress is. Whose ship is sinking?
They have not built a ship yet, come on. They have MP, just because they are government in this tiny state doesn't mean that they should not talk these kinds of unnecessary, invite unnecessary, what you call it, shipping, tipping and all. They haven't started the building their own ship yet.